Well, it's a huge privilege to have Rajkumar Hirani and Anushka Sharma with us here in Ahmedabad. Huge pleasure to have you guys back on Bollywood Hungama. And sir, Anushka told me that PK is one film that she would like to show to her kids actually. Even the Amir Khan nude scene as well. Nude poster as well.
I'll keep the print ready as soon as she has the kids.
As soon as they're born. Just
born.
start playing.
All right, Amir yesterday said that it's one film that I can show to my 3-year-old boy as well as my 8-year-old mom. Something about this aspect that all these allegations are about the apparent nude poster.
No, once you see the film, you'll realize that it is of no consequence. It is a family film, and I will not make anything which is... you've seen my earlier films, and yani, this is more than anything else a film for anybody from, whatever age.
Right.
So, वो आप पोस्टर को भूल जाइए, आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि कोई, there's nothing like that. There's no vulgarity. It is a very innocent, very cutely done and relevant thing.
How much of a learning experience is it for you when you're promoting this film with Rajkumar Hirani, Amir Khan and Vinod Chopra? Joshi as well.
It's learning experience. I don't know. I don't know. I should have been learning something. Oh shit!
Learning.
I'm feeling like I'm like, oh god, lost opportunities.
Learning in the sense that when they are saying that we're not interested in 100 crore and 200 crore club, we are in the good film club.
I have always.
It's a different thing actually.
I completely fall in the same bracket because I will never do. I keep saying I will never do a project. I want to do a film. I want to do good films. I want my name to be associated with good films. I want people to remember me for good films.
Right.
And I genuinely don't feel that I want being in a certain club define my career. I don't want that.
Right.
If it happens with a film like PK, that's good. But not like just कि हम लोग. But the thing is, films like PK ना लोग बनाते नहीं हैं सोच के कि 100 crore, 200 crore में डालेंगे. And that's why इतनी greed बन जाती है. So I want to be part of such films.
Right. So you guys have been talking about that you don't want to be just talking about 100 crore and 200 crore club, but it's being said that PK can be the first film that will cross 300 crore. So what do you have to say about that?
See, Faridun, actually, really...
I totally am with you, but
doesn't matter.
This is a speculation.
Vinod said a very interesting thing yesterday. I would like to repeat that. He said, I want to start another club, which is called the Good Film Club.
Right.
And we want to be part of that club. We want to be remembered in that club rather than being said ki itne crore banaye. How can we judge the value of a film with money?
Also, see, kids who are growing up and all, they are seeing this. They're not listening about how good the film is. Film की story बहुत superb लगी या कहानी बड़ी मजेदार थी. लोग मतलब पैसे के बात कर रहे हैं. You're really like, I think in a way it's demeaning creativity. By just attaching numbers to it.
But the practical aspect is that when you're spending a lot of money on making a film, so somewhere it is like a business proposition as well, in a way, practically speaking. But I'm totally with you with what you guys have been saying.
100%. I'm saying, which I keep saying that unlike any other art form, if you're a painter, you're sitting and just painting, you don't have too much of an investment.
Exactly.
It's a canvas and paint.
Exactly.
But when you're making a film, it's a massive project. You invest a lot of money. So that one definitely wants to make sure that nobody loses money.
Right.
I will always ensure that you don't... Ensure means at least I'll try. Nobody can really ensure anything, but you can try to make sure that people recover money. All my films have been trying to say something I strongly believe in, but I'm trying to sugarcoat that in entertainment, sugarcoat that in emotion, drama, so that I don't want to make a documentary, the kind of subjects. I could have made a documentary on education, I could have made a documentary on non-violence. But no, I'm trying to make it popular so that you get the message, but do it in a way that's just entertaining. So we're not bowing down to the pressures of typical mainstream cinema where you say, you have to have put in that many item songs for the film to succeed. We're not going down that route. But we'll definitely want the film to recover money that nobody, no distributor, no exhibitor loses money.
Abhijat Joshi said yesterday that as far as the humor goes, that till the time Rajkumar Hirani was not rolling on the, I was not rolling on the streets, and both of us were not rolling on the streets, we wouldn't keep that scene. But are there
Rajkumar Hirani and Abhijat somewhere in Bombay rolling on streets? Just imagine, that's a very funny sight. Just imagine.
They were, I think, conceptualizing in US as well, I believe.
But
other streets also. दूसरे देशों में भी.
Actually हुआ था. Well, 3 Idiots we were writing and we got stuck up in some scene, and so we were taking a walk. मैं Abhijat and Anushka, Abhijat's daughter was also there. We were walking in a park and that some idea came and I just told Abhijat, ये ऐसा करेंगे. And Abhijat actually, he fell down. I think with relief that we've finally
Found it,
cracked
yeah.
that scene. That word, that was that wo chamatkar word. We were not finding a good word ki hum, with the, for that speech. So we found a what to say. We just wanted to change the speech. Now what do we do by changing the speech? How do we make it funny? तो वहाँ crack हुआ तो he Abhijat तो does that very often.
Right.
You find it, he just does something.
So Three Idiots DVD was very interesting. So like you're talking about the scenes that are really like cracked up in terms of laughing, but there may be scenes which you guys may not have thought that they are as like funny, but other people may be interested in watching them. So do we see them in deleted scenes on DVD?
Yeah, this time we have some deleted scenes. So we will we'll put some of those in the DVDs. Yeah.
You're saying that it's more than a 5-star film. So why do you say that?
Because that's how good the film is. I've seen it 2 times already and I want to see it again. And I know that he feels like really scared and like nervous in the company of Abhijat and me because we are going on saying, "Arey, Hindi, it's बहुत superb, but really it's a very good film." And I mean, I've never been so sure of any film of mine.
Aamir has worn borrowed clothes in this movie. Now that's I think a unique thing. So what is the entire idea behind that?
If you've seen all the poster images, so Aamir is in all those what I call अतरंगी कपड़े पहने हुए उसने सारे. और we wanted clothes which are not matching. We wanted clothes which are either loose or tight on him. So when we asked the designers to actually make it, the whole idea is to designers will end up trying to make good looking clothes for him. So वो लूज भी बनाते थे तो भी ऐसा लगता था कि बड़े नए हैं और वो मज़ा ही नहीं आ रहा था. So फिर उनसे कहा गया कि यार ये ऐसे मत बनाओ, हमको रियल कैरेक्टर लगना चाहिए, हमको लगना चाहिए सड़क का कैरेक्टर है, उसको हम डिज़ाइन करेंगे तो फिर डिज़ाइन करो, उसके बाद फिर उसको पुराना बनाओ, चाय के पानी में डाल के फिर पहनाओ, सब मतलब ही नहीं है, सड़क से जाके कपड़े उठाओ. तो दे लुक्ड एट अस लाइक दिस, यार जाओ आप जो आपको आदमी मिलता है उसके कपड़े ऐसे लगते हैं कि आमिर के लिए करेक्ट है, फॉरगेट द साइज़, टाइट है लूज़ है, उससे उसके कपड़े उतरवा लो. उसको एक रिटर्न में शर्ट्स लेके जाओ बहुत सारी, उनको रिटर्न में शर्ट्स दे दो, पैंट्स दे दो, नहीं तो पैसे मांगते हो तो पैसे दे दो. सो दे एक्चुअली वेंट टू राजस्थान, बॉम्बे, वेरेवर दे कुड फाइंड clothes, so they picked it up from those people and those are the clothes which we finally used in the film.
So Anushka has said that PK is the most special film that she has ever done. How do you rate her as an actress? Because I think next year she's going to be having some very interesting films coming up.
See, I saw Anushka in Band Baja Barat and I was completely blown by the film, blown by her performance. And that was the time I was writing this one. And Aamir was in the head ki this role is for Aamir. I didn't know who this character would be. So when I saw that film, in my head it was clear ki it has to be Anushka, which I didn't tell her. In fact, she had called me for I didn't know her. So she had messaged me saying कि मेरी फिल्म लग रही है बैंड बाजा बारात, so watch it, to come for the trial. So अब मुझे ट्रायल में जाने को डर लगता है कि फिल्म खराब हुई तो फिर आप क्या बोलोगे, तो मैंने पोलाइटली मैसेज भेज दिया कि I'm caught up in something, I will see it later. But then I heard good things about the film, I went and saw it. Then I called her up and spoke about the film. वहाँ भी तब तक भी मैंने उसको नहीं बताया. But to cut a long story short, I think I'm happy that I'm saying in front of her, I'm so happy that she's in the film because she took it to another level. And दो चीज़ होती है, एक तो कि एक्टर आपके कैरेक्टर को कहाँ लेके जाता है, दूसरा ये कि आपको कितना मज़ा आता है. You also need a hassle-free person when you're shooting. You don't want tantrums, you don't want tamashas, you want an environment which is friendly. So I have to say, she made it very easy for us. There was, जब शूट करना है, जब ट्रायल्स हैं, जब she was there for the film. So that makes a filmmaker's life very easy. And I'm so happy to have you on a show. I never said this to you.
Aamir has called Raju as the number one director in India. As a human being, I think he's a very unique guy as well. Your thoughts?
The most genuine person, number one genuine person in the industry.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for being on Bolrangama.
Number one director, number one genuine. That's it. और क्या चाहिए?
नंबर साथ नहीं छोड़ते हमारे.
Thank you very much and all the best for you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.